about it, but I don't know much more about it other than just hearing.
Yeah, it's coming on 25th of March from 10:30 to 4:30. I think it's going to be a real fun day.
Yeah, I've been telling my friends about it. I'm trying to get as many people to come in to experience the great thing that I've got from HALS. What about you?
Well, it'll be good for people that are looking to expand their knowledge and gain qualifications.
Yeah, they can come around and they can visit different classes, explore different courses. I mean, I'm doing my ECDL level 1 courses. I'm really enjoying, and it's an adult environment. You can make new friends, and the safe environment, the learning atmosphere of library. And I mean, it's really good.
I know, I do enjoy it so much because not only do I get to learn my English level 2, get a fantastic qualification out of it, but there are other things that I can access and help me with, like my confidence and
social ability. Social
great.
skills.
I just enjoy learning things. I'm always happy to have new knowledge come my way, and if there's a qualification in it, that's even better for employability.
Yeah, and it gives you more confidence as well when you join other adults in your learning environment, and you can, move to level 1, level 2, level 3, and gain these necessary skills to join universities.
Yeah, I find that the things that I learn here also is very useful in my working life, because everything, even a simple thing like what we do here in my ICT course, I was able to do a fantastic report at my work. My boss complimented me on it. It was like, this is excellent work. I combined the two. It's fantastic.
So what would you say to the viewers that they should come to HALS and join the experience?
Come and have some fun. It's a fantastic day. You can get to do a little test to see what the courses are like, see the classes in action. 25th of March, come on out.
Yes, and the same advice goes from me as well. Do come and look for yourself, experience for yourself, and you will definitely like it. It's 25th of March from 10:30 to 4:30.